Hello students, welcome back. Myself, Srimati Ranjana Bhandare, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti. So, in this video, I am going to have discussion of BSc 5th Sem Mathematics Paper 2 Numerical Methods, and this is the 36th session in this paper. And here, third unit, finite difference, and particularly we are going to discuss factorial notations and solving problems. So first we shall study factorial function. A factorial function is defined by x raised to n is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 dash 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 x minus of n plus 1, and it is also denoted as like this one, pi of x minus k, where k is from 0 to n minus 1 and x raised to 0 is equal to 1, where there are n factors, each one is less than the preceding one. We link this with the ordinary factorial using the theorem nth forward difference of x raised to n is equal to n factorial. For example, x raised to 2 means we can represent it as x into x minus 1. X raised to 3 means it is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. And x raised to 4 means we can write it as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So the following theorem we shall study here. The theorem is, when the interval of differencing is h, then the nth forward difference of x raised to n is equal to, it is n factorial into h raised to n, and n plus 1th forward difference will be, it is 0. Expressing the given polynomial in factorial notation. Let f of x be a polynomial of degree n, then factorial notation of this the polynomial f of x is represented like this. That is, f of x is equal to f of 0 plus first forward difference of f of 0 into x raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial plus second forward difference of f of 0 into x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial plus so on up to nth forward difference of f of 0 into x raised to n divided by n factorial. So we shall apply this one for the following examples. The first one is, express the function f of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into the factorial polynomial and get their successive forward differences by taking h is equal to 1. So here, to solve this one, put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, then we get d is equal to 1 and c is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. And comparing the coefficient of x cube, we have a is equal to 1. So therefore f of x we can write it as x raised to 3, 4 into x raised to 2 plus 3 into x raised to 1 plus 1 into x raised to 0. So applying the first forward difference on both the sides, we can write first forward difference of f of x is equal to forward difference of x raised to 3 plus 4 into x raised to 2 plus 3 into x raised to 1 plus 1 into x raised to 0. So differentiating this one, we get here 3 into x raised to 2 plus 8 into x raised to 1 plus 3 into x raised to 0 plus 0. And similarly, the second forward difference we get it as a 6 into x raised to 1 plus 8 into x raised to 0. So the third forward difference is, once again differentiating this equation, we get the answer as 6. Second one, find the function whose first difference is 9x square plus 11x plus 5. So here the solution is that f of x be the required polynomial, and it is given that f of x is equal to 9x square plus 11x plus 5. So this polynomial we can write in this way: 9 into x minus 1 plus 11x plus 5. And by the method of synthetic division, we can write this way. So in the first row, we are going to write this the corresponding coefficients 9, 11 and 5. And using the method of synthetic division, so we can solve this. And then we get the first forward difference of f of x is 9x square plus 20x plus 5. So here we need the term f of x. So that means f of x means we are going to integrate this equation, so that we get f of x is equal to 9 into x raised to 3 divided by 3 plus 20 into x raised to 2 divided by 2 plus 5 into x raised to 1 plus integration constant as c. And here by simplification, we get 3 into x raised to 3 plus 10 into x raised to 2 plus 5 into x raised to 1 plus c. So here this itself we can represent in this way also. So these are the some exercise examples. You can try these examples. So, and these are the references which we have used for this video. Thank you, students.